Okay, so this is the video of the Turbo CRF250L running and driving. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Like I said, running and driving. So I got it done. It works. It sounds incredible. I'm going to go ahead and post this video first, and then I'll post all the videos for the build series probably every other day. You know, post a video 2 days, another video, something like that as I get them edited. But here it is. Little man approves, don't you, bud? Yeah. So it's cold, so we're gonna go back inside, but here's the video. So I've got just a little bitty oil leak, and the reason it's leaking out of here. I overfilled the oil reservoir, so it traveled up here and it leaked a little bit out. But other than that, what do you think, bud?
It's good.
Yeah, you think so? I like it.
And you made a track right here.
Yeah? It looks like it burned out a little bit of the thread sealer I used on here and leaked there, but besides the overfilling oil leak, works good, sounds incredible.
You did a burnout.
I did a burnout.
Yeah.
Awesome. So there is the turbo CRF250L. Running, driving, moving is the important part. So I'll charge up the GoPros, do an onboard video, ride it around a little bit. Hopefully you can hear the turbo noise even better. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, but yeah, onboard footage coming soon.
Did you get an early Christmas present?
Oh no, I've had this a while.
Yeah, huh?